tenha deliberações e outras organizações subregionais, mais de 7 milhões de refugiados e desempenhos em prol de uma e de outras sociedades conexas ao
recenser les meilleures pratiques du processus de genre sont à saluer. Les séances, mesdames et messieurs, pour conclure, je parle de la syrienne ainsi que des engagements et 23 août sous le leadership du président Evariste.
We have also presented the name of Raila Odinga as the candidate for the AUC chair. He's well known to all the countries and all the participants here, and it was resolved that the Council of Ministers or the regional interministerial committee takes note of his candidacy since he was the only one who was presented at this as we await the elections of the AUC chair in February next year. Equally, if there were other candidates, that has also been resolved that they take note and it will be dealt with in the course of next year.